Look at that! Crispy on the outside, packed with flavor inside, baked empanadas na siguradong magugustuhan ng buong pamilya. Today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng soft and flaky baked empanadas na perfect for snacks or kahit pang business. First, unahin natin ang ating filling. Nagisa lang ako ng ground beef, potatoes, carrots, green peas, and some spices na pampalasa. And for the dough naman, gagamit tayo ng all-purpose flour, butter, sugar, salt, and cold water. For our dry ingredients, combine 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 7 tablespoons sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then add 454 grams melted butter and 2/3 cups cold water. Then mix na natin. Gumamit pala ako dito ng stand mixer. Kung wala naman po tayong stand mixer, pwede naman manual ang paghahalo, pero siguraduhin lang natin na ma-mix ng maayos at mag-combine lahat ng mga ingredients. After mixing, nilagay ko muna ang dough sa refrigerator, palamigin natin for 30 minutes. After resting the dough for 30 minutes, ready na siya para i-flatten. Gamit ang rolling pin, i-roll lang natin hanggang maging manipis. Then gamit ng round cutter or kahit ball. Actually, ball ang gamit ko dyan para gawing natin perfect circle shapes para sa empanada wrapper. Aside sa filling na niluto ko, maglalagay rin tayo ng boiled egg, cheese, and raisins. Ang raisins, di ko sinabay sa pagluto kasi ayaw ni Dada. Di niya paborito ang raisins, guys. Pero ako, nako, sarap na sarap talaga ako dyan. So ayan, nag-start na ako magbalot. Inuna ko muna nilagay yung ating filling, boiled egg, cheese, at ang ating raisins.
Banana guys.
I'm so hungry, Mom. I'm so hungry today. Can I eat that tomorrow? Wow, 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 wow.
I think this one is luto ko.
This Pluto. And to eat that, Mom. Yung Mom, kinuknayo. Video out.
After that, brush natin with egg yolks para sa ating golden finish. Kitang-kita nyo naman kung gano'ng kalaking ating mga empanada. Then bake for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. So ayan, luto na. Hindi ko na pala nakunan yung pagsalang ko kanina sa ating oven.
Yung banana. Gia will take the first bite. Let's try, guys. Banana.
It's not that cute, Mama. It's not that cute.
Maybe that's too unlock. Egg.
Welcome to our vlog, guys. I'm going to be soon with you, Mama.
Is it yum?
So ayan, sarap na sarap naman kami ni Gia. Kung nagustuhan nyo rin po itong recipe na to, don't forget to like,